Gagala na po tayo, lalakad. Look.
Oo, yan, ganyan mo lang. Okay na yan.
Shit. Look at that. Nope. It's raining. Yan guys, malawak po dito. Kung gusto niyo po pumunta dito, punta na po kayo dito. Pwede po kayo mag-photoshoot, mag-swimming, gano'n. Yan. So, maganda po dito.
Kasi chinechekan yung cargo ticket, di ba? Ilang beses po ba pwede pumasok? Isa lang.
Mahigpit po. Dito hindi. Kanina pa may labas kangkos. Walang pakialam dito, no? Pinunit lang, pero...
Basta siguro ano lang.
Look at that, my Mingming. Hi, Mingming. Alis na po tayo. Look at the fountain. Fountain, look at that. Look. Look at that. Yung pusa ba? Tara na, guys. Hi. Say hi.
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys. Oh. Ay, mali. Sa akin nang nakatapat eh. Oh, diba? Oh, diba akin ng tabat? Wala, bakit dun? Nakatingin. Ito ka natin.
Mahirapan po.
Yan, guys. Ayan, nasa butterfly room po sila. Look at the butterfly room. Look at that. Amazing. I don't want punta-punta here because I don't love it. This is the flower. Dito lang tayo. Chloe! Lang here. Ayan, look at that. Oops. A butterfly. Look at that. A
Butterfly.
A lot of... My God! A butterfly one. It's amazing. Natatakot ako.
Ay, baka mapakon ng hotak.
Look at that. It's amazing, guys. Look at that.
Amazing.
Look at that. I'll show you. So, ayan. Lilibot po kami. Lilibot-libot muna po kami bago kami lumipat ng ibang stage section. Chloe! Yan, ilagay po natin siya dito. Ay! Nasa baba. Okay, look at that. Amazing.
Doon nakamalis.
Ay! Oopsie. Let's go to the zoo park. Maganda po dito, promise. Promise, sobrang ganda po dito. Wait. Habang nagbablog tayo. photographer. Yan, kasi ayan. Ay, ayan. Tingin. So, yan. Lalabas na tayo. Tara na nga. Huwag na natin yan sila. Diba? Let's go to labas, guys. We are here. We are here now. What? We are here. Look at that. It's amazing. And look at that. Look at that. Amazing. What? What? What?
All at the upload.
Wait. And I feel gusto mo videoan kita? Ha?
Ano si ate?
Lumakad ka, videoan kita. Tara! Lumakad ka, bibidyoan kita. Hi guys, bye-bye.